Have you ever wondered if it's truly possible to burn fat while you're asleep? The idea seems almost magical, lying in bed, drifting into sleep, and waking up a little leaner. While the concept might sound too good to be true, science shows that our bodies are never truly off, not even when we sleep. In fact, there are specific physiological processes that, when optimized, can help you burn fat overnight. Understanding how these processes work and applying them consistently can make a surprising difference over time. One of the most important factors in this equation is the quality of your sleep. Sleep is not merely a time for rest. It is a period when your body conducts crucial metabolic activities, repairs tissues, and regulates hormones. When you fail to get sufficient sleep or experience poor quality sleep, your body produces less leptin, the hormone that signals satiety, and more ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger. This hormonal imbalance often leads to increased appetite, late-night snacking, and ultimately fat storage, particularly in the abdominal region. Therefore, prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night is foundational for any overnight fat-burning strategy. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, further strengthens your body's circadian rhythm, ensuring that metabolic processes operate at peak efficiency. However, sleep alone isn't enough to maximize fat burning. Your daytime activities play an equally critical role. Strength training, for instance, has been shown to elevate your resting metabolic rate for hours, even after your workout has ended. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it requires energy to maintain itself. By building and preserving lean muscle mass through resistance exercises such as squats, push-ups, lunges, and weightlifting, you are essentially increasing the number of calories your body burns while at rest. Engaging in strength training 3 to 4 times a week can have a long-lasting impact on your overnight calorie expenditure. This is not to say cardio is irrelevant. Aerobic exercises contribute to overall calorie burn and cardiovascular health. But the unique benefit of strength training is its ability to sustain a higher metabolic rate well into the night, enhancing the fat-burning process while you sleep. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Another key factor influencing overnight fat loss is your diet, particularly your dinner choices. Eating a meal rich in protein before bed can significantly improve your body's ability to burn calories. Protein induces a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food, which means your body uses more energy to digest and metabolize protein compared to carbohydrates or fats. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt not only enhance this effect, but also help preserve muscle mass, ensuring that the calories you burn are derived from fat rather than muscle tissue. Conversely, consuming high-sugar or highly processed foods late at night can interfere with fat burning. Sugars spike insulin levels, which promotes fat storage and prevents your body from efficiently tapping into fat reserves. Therefore, it is advisable to finish sugary snacks or carbohydrate-heavy meals at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you feel hungry closer to bedtime, opt for a small protein-rich snack such as a boiled egg, a handful of nuts, or a scoop of Greek yogurt. Certain beverages can also support your overnight metabolism. Green tea, for example, contains a compound called EGCG, which has been shown to slightly increase fat oxidation. Even if the effect is modest, over time it can contribute to your overall fat-burning efforts. Herbal teas like chamomile can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, indirectly aiding fat loss. Drinking a cup of tea before bed can serve as a calming ritual, signaling your body that it is time to wind down, which is beneficial for both mental and metabolic health. However, it is important to avoid caffeinated teas or beverages too close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep and negate these benefits. The temperature of your sleeping environment can also influence fat burning. Cooler bedroom temperatures encourage your body to activate brown adipose tissue, commonly known as brown fat. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat burns calories to generate heat in a process called thermogenesis. By keeping your bedroom at a slightly cooler temperature, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, or even taking a short cold shower before bed, you can stimulate this natural calorie burning mechanism. This process is subtle but can accumulate over time, especially when combined with other metabolic strategies. Stress management is another often overlooked component of overnight fat loss. Chronic stress leads to elevated levels of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around the midsection. High cortisol levels not only encourage fat accumulation, but can also disrupt sleep, creating a vicious cycle that sabotages fat-burning efforts. Implementing stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, light stretching, or even journaling before bed can help lower cortisol levels, improve sleep quality, and enhance your body's natural ability to burn fat. These calming practices also signal to your body that it is time to shift into a restorative state, further optimizing metabolic processes. Finally, the timing of your meals can significantly impact fat burning during sleep. Intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating strategies are increasingly supported by research, showing that allowing a longer fasting window overnight helps insulin levels drop and promotes fat oxidation. By finishing dinner earlier in the evening, ideally around 6 to 7 p.m., and fasting until breakfast, you provide your body with a metabolic environment conducive to burning fat rather than storing it. Even a fasting window of 12 to 14 hours can be sufficient to reap these benefits. Pairing this with protein-rich meals, proper sleep, strength training, and stress management creates a synergistic effect that maximizes fat-burning potential while you rest. The reality is that burning fat while sleeping is not a result of a single trick or hack. It is a combination of lifestyle factors, hormonal balance, and metabolic optimization. Sleep, exercise, nutrition, stress management, and environmental adjustments all work together to enhance your body's ability to burn fat naturally during the night. By consistently applying these strategies, you can turn your sleep into a productive, fat-burning phase of your day, improving body composition and overall health over time. This approach also emphasizes long-term sustainability rather than quick fixes, helping you achieve results without compromising muscle mass or overall well-being. While the process requires attention to daily habits, the benefits extend beyond weight management, improving energy levels, cognitive function, and metabolic health. Over time, as your body adapts to these practices, you may notice not only physical changes, but also improved sleep quality, better mood, and a stronger sense of vitality. The key is consistency and understanding that every small adjustment compounds over time, turning your nights into an opportunity for transformation, not just rest. By embracing these evidence-based strategies, you can truly harness the power of your body's natural processes to burn fat while you sleep, making the dream of effortless weight management a tangible reality. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.